This is Devmalla Banerjee representing Abacus Institute of Engineering and Management, Mogra, Hooghly, West Bengal, Eastern Region. Our permanent ID is 13106811 and application ID is 19321709005. We are entering into the campus and this is our approach gate. This college is under JIS Group of Educational Initiative and Techno India Group, two largest conglomerate of the West Bengal. This is our security room and this is the approved intake for running BTech courses, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering. This is the boundary wall and this building is actually first is fast food center and then canteen, student canteen. It's cafeteria. There are two segments. One is for students and another is separate segment for faculty and staff members. Two entrances are there. And there is another entrance. This is boundary wall. This is our powerhouse and one civil store. And now we are entering into the college building. This is our all-weather approach motorable road. This is our academic building. There are four buildings, four blocks, A, B, C and D. This is one of the playground for the students. This is our garden. This is G+3 storied building. G+3 storied building. This is our generator room. 1 kVA power backup, separate arrangement. This is our block A, first academic building of Abacus Institute of Engineering and Management. Now we are approaching. This is electrical department, power system lab. This is the inside of the lab. Power system 1 and power system 2. This is a student seater. Spacious arrangement in the lab. This is the fire extinguisher. Now we move on to next class. This is a classroom just adjacent to the lab. Electrification is there. This is a measurement lab. This is another ladies toilet. Separate arrangement. This is another gents toilet. Each and every floor. This is our library, central library. These are so many multimedia PCs. This is another wing of the library. Huge library is maintained with our own ERP solution. That is, library management system is managed by our own ERP solution. It's a large setup. So many books. Not accessed by the student due to the lockdown. And we also, this is another fire extinguisher in the library. This is journal and periodical sections. Though we provided books up to the home location of the students, called Library on Wheels, for last 2 consecutive years. We are continuously providing books to the students up to their home location. The project called Library on Wheels. Spacious, airy and large setup. And reading room is just beside the library. It's adjacent to the library. The accession card, etc. Library staff is working in the library, and this is a large reading room setup. This is a large reading room setup. This is the another wing of the library, and the multimedia PCs for students' use. This is block B, another G+3, another academic building, and this is a ramp for the physically challenged students. This is engineering chemistry lab under Department of Basic Science and Humanities. This is departmental notice board, fire extinguisher. Now we are approaching into the lab. This is a teaching Sitting arrangement for the teachers. This is another arrangement. Blackboard. This is the chemistry lab setup. The huge spacious arrangement. This is another one row, second row, and that is third row. This is another computer setup for the faculty. Fire extinguisher inside the lab. This is a large setup. These are the notice board, and this is notice board, fire extinguisher, and the attendance recording machine of the staff 2, 3. This is a accounts office, large setup, internet connections, separate UPS, computer systems, Almira, another online UPS. This is the lobby of the main administrative building. This is another office. This is the reception, register office, other office, one other office, fire extinguisher inside the office. People are working. This register office, and now this is the principal office. Refrigeration, Almira. People are working. This is the principal office. This is a pantry arrangement just beside the principal office, and another gents toilet. As per our architecture, gents toilet is in the every floor. We are moving on to the upper floor. This is a girls toilet for staff. This is in the platform of the stair. This is another boys toilet, fire extinguisher, the last green campus. Inside the boys toilet. Now we'll move on to the electronics department in the block B. Notice boards are there. Laboratory equipments, some departmental library setup, faculty sitting arrangement, separate dedicated computer, printer, notice board, whiteboard, and this is the left part of the lab. This is another classroom of the block B. Board, light, fan, sitting arrangement, use 3-row sitting arrangement, flooring, and this is another feature, CCTV camera in the classroom as per the university requisition. As per the university requirement, during examination it is required. This is another classroom and CCTV camera board, teacher table, sitting arrangement, again 3-row sitting arrangement, light, fans, switchboards, all this. This is another classroom, board, sitting arrangement. This is another classroom, and now I am moving on. This is another electronics lab, fire extinguisher, digital electronics laboratory. These are the setup, laboratory setup, teacher sitting arrangement, and this is the right side of the lab, and these are the student seater. Electrification, and this is the laboratory notice board. This is another lab under electrical engineering department, control theory, circuit theory and power electronics lab. This is a separate computer arrangement. These are the instrument, and fire extinguisher is there. Water purifier and cooler. This is a toilet for staff. Now we move on to the first floor. This is a spacious tier. This is the girls' toilet. This is another gents' toilet. This is toilet for students. Now we move on to Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is the spacious lobby, lab 3, Python operating system, etc. All are running machine. This is lab 1 of computer science, data structure, design of analysis, numerical, etc. These are the departmental notice board. Now we move on to the lab. One of our fellow colleagues is working in the lab. These are online UPS. Dedicated for the lab. This is another notice board, fire extinguisher, another notice board, and this is a faculty room, especially for the computer science department. Now we move on to the another lab. We are approaching in the another lab. This is the notice board of the laboratory. All machine is in operative condition. And another dedicated UPS power backup for this lab. This is the internet connection of the lab. Faculty sitting arrangement, notice board, almirah. Now we move on to the upper stair. This is another ladies toilet in the platform of the stair, and subsequently this is another gents toilet with latrine, basin, everything. This is spacious passage, fire extinguisher, and now this is control system lab for under electrical engineering for EC and electrical students. This is a spacious arrangement, notice board, faculty sitting arrangement, and this is a light fan, notice board. Now we move on to the another classroom, blackboard, student seater, electrification. Now we go to the engineering physics laboratory. This is for the first year students. This is a huge spacious arrangement, whiteboard, refrigeration, stabilization, extinguisher. Now this is the arrangement of faculty, separate machine for the faculty, notice board, and these are the laboratory instruments. The huge large lab. This is a triple row arrangement of instruments. This is one row, this is second row, and that is third row. This is the entire view of the engineering physics laboratory. Oscilloscope. There's another experimental setup mounted in the wall, and this is dark room attached with the physics lab. It's also large. So many experimental setup in the dark room. Now we again move on. This is fire extinguisher and another boys toilet. In each and every floor we have boys toilet. This is a Lash Green campus. And now moving inside the boys toilet with latrine, basin, urinal. We move on to the upper stair. This is girls toilet, separate arrangement. Now moving on to the next floor, another boys toilet. This is a large lobby, spacious lobby. Moving on to the classroom. This is the classroom 13. Blackboard, electrification, sitting arrangements. So CCTV camera is also there. This floor is comprising of classroom 11, just beside classroom 12. Blackboard, huge spacious classroom. CCTV is also there. Now move on to the classroom 12. This is all. Now we are moving on to the classroom 10. This is named classroom 10. Blackboard, sitting arrangement. This tutorial room. Moving on. This is tutorial room, separate arrangement, and this is another tutorial. This is another tutorial, small room. This is another classroom setup. This is another classroom setup. This is one classroom, board, sitting arrangement. Classroom 4, sitting arrangement, CCTV camera. This is another tutorial, tutorial 1. And there is a smart setup, projector, separate PC, projector, fire extinguisher, in the room 1. This is the electrical machine lab for electrical department, sitting arrangement. Instruments are mounted. Electrical machine 2. Electrical machine 2 lab. Board, teacher sitting. Basic electrical engineering laboratory. Spacious laboratory. Now we are in the mechanical workshop. It's a large setup, mechanical workshop. This is lathe machine mounted in the floor. Some students projected there. Another machines. Sheet metal forging shop. Sheet metal shop. Now we are in the laboratory setup for mechanical engineering design lab. I'm just roaming. Thermal engineering lab. Fluid mechanics, setup for mechanical engineering. Huge large setup. Another mechanical engineering lab. Another lab of mechanical engineering. Some model is also there. These are the instrument mounted in the floor. Mechanical engineering design lab. Measurement and metrology also there. Move on to the civil engineering lab, soil mechanics, surveying practice. All heavy instruments are mounted in the floor. Another civil lab, highway, concrete, etc. So many setups. This is workshop space for diploma, faculty room. This is workshop space, fire extinguisher. This is a space for coming new diploma workshop. Probably 200 square meter, 200 square meter. Some welding setup. Electrification completed. This is vehicle parking arrangement place. This is another block. Which is dedicated for diploma division. Concrete road, ramp for the building. This is a anti-ragging poster, and this is a feedback link for the AICTE portal. Now you are moving into the block. This is the list of approved intake. This is a approved intake for the existing BTech course. And now we are moving into the new setup of seminar hall for diploma division. Sound systems, air condition, projector hanging in the room, screen, board, dais, and this amplification box. 132 square meter. False ceiling electrifications, etc. Now this is training placement office. These are the list of recruiters. This is Almira office arrangement. This is some glimpse of our placed students in the last year during pandemic. Now we move on to the computer lab. Newly developed for diploma division. Teachers arrangement. Fire extinguisher, notice board. This is a storeroom, central storeroom. This is the lobby, and now there is a sick room. This is a toilet for physically challenged. Low height toilet for physically challenged. Now move on to the upper stair. There is girls toilet. Move into the upper stair. This is boys toilet. Boys toilet. This is language lab. Fire extinguisher beside that. Separate arrangement of computers in the language lab. Board, teacher desk. Another tutorial, dedicated tutorial for diploma division. Board, sitting arrangement. Board, student sitting. Notice board. This is space for applied physics lab. New setup, blackboard. Infrastructure is ready. Electrification, flooring. Huge space, lighty and airy. Now, this is the room for medical officer and counseling arrangement. Doctors and counselors, separate arrangement. This is the lobby. This is the faculty room. Computer setup. Almirah. Now this is the space for applied chemistry lab. Infrastructure is ready. This is the setup for chemistry lab. Moving on to the upper stair. Girls toilet. Another boys toilet. This one lab for BTech, antenna and propagation. This is the exam cell. Separate notice board. Separate arrangement for exam cell. This is the faculty room. This is the classroom for diploma. Sitting arrangement, electrification, teacher, blackboard. This is the computer center. Computer center, blackboard.
Now we are entering into our fourth block. Barrier free environment is there. This is the ramp. Now we are entering into the building. This is our drawing hall. Board is there. Drawing board is there. Spacious and large room. This is a tutorial room. Arrangement is there. This is the boardroom. Now we are entering into the boardroom. Projector arrangement is there for conducting the meetings. This is a gents toilet. This is the arrangement for purified water. Cooler is there and water purifier is also there. This is another seminar room. Spacious and large. Now we are entering in another floor. Classrooms and labs are there in this floor. This is another toilet. Separate arrangement is there. This is a laboratory for electronics and telecommunication engineering department, microprocessor and microcontroller lab. Microprocessor and microcontroller kits are there for conducting experiments. Board is there. Now we are entering another lab, analog electronic circuit lab. This is also for electronics and communication engineering department. Now we are entering in the lab. Separate experimental kits are there. For conducting the experiments. This is the common room. Carom board is there. A spacious arrangement. Electrification is there. Now we are entering into another floor. Another classroom is there, classroom number 14. airy and spacious classroom. Electrification is there. Another toilet is there in this floor. Separate basin arrangements is there. So all the infrastructural details are provided in these videos. Thank you.